Hello, everybody. My name is Igor Valandro. I'm the founder of Air Connecting Things. And actually, I'm focusing my work on the automotive industry and insurance ones. We really know that the market is changing very fast. So we need to find new interoperability relationship among what we believe 3 pillars. One is the drivers. They need new transparency and new services, and on-demand also services. The second is the automotive sectors. Automotive sectors is changing also very fast, and we need they need to increase the retention, but also to increase the profitability. And because we know they are going to sell less car in the next few years. And insurance companies, they need they have a problem. There was a decreasing profitability in the motor toward liability, but at the same time, they need to increase their capabilities in order to supply new demands. So let me tell you what we did and we started to do in 2014. We focused our attention to solve one problem. The problem was with automotive market. So how to increase their retention and how to increase their profitability. We create a platform, and this platform can be connected to any device that you already have. And we manage all the telemetry and diagnostic data. And we were able to create a predictive maintenance tool. So thanks to this generation and these tools, we are able to create lead generation, and we were able also to increase the revenues in the aftermarket sector. Once we deployed this phase, we moved on the insurance one. And the insurance one, we take in account the experience that we made in the automotive sectors. We take new source of data from the automotive sectors and create a new driving behavior algorithm, create a new crash reconstruction algorithm. And at the same time, we developed a marketplace for on-demand insurance services, warranty services, and maintenance services. So what this process allow us to be very flexible and also to reconfigure continuously the value creation and to tap new source of supply. But I think that the best idea is to focus and to show you some of the tools of our solutions and also some of our core competence, because in a platform we have to remind that we have to pull, to match, and to facilitate new entrants in order to increase the value of the platforms. Just to give you an idea, this platform is completely white label and can be directly integrated with your workflow. We have to take in mind that we can take the complexity of your device and we put in our platform. We can fulfill all the data manually, also vehicle information manually. But what is most important is that we can work directly through CRM, third parties, in order to speed up the process of the registrations. The process can be insert in your workflow wherever you want, because it's modular infrastructures. And we also put maintenance and service agreements with third parties in order to allow new services for the customer, but also to allow you to work on the data monetization. And we are going to see how. We also can manage all the process of the registration, but also the e-wallet. The platform is a sort of e-wallet, and we can decide now or later if we want like a payment gateway like PayPal, Braintree, Amex, and so far. We can go on the registration process, download, upload, but in this process we can also work through API and insert like signature players, for example, DocuSign or some others, in your workflow. Once all the bureaucracy issues are solved, we developed an app, and this app through SDK can be configured in your app, or it can be also a white label app. We focus the attention on the drivers, so geolocalization, for example, car finder, but everything is connected also through API, like with short message and notification, and also with our insurance partners in order to provide value-added services like concierge services. We created also as you can see, every single trip, and for every single trip, we can retrieve the information relating the how much fuel I spent, if my gas station has is empty. But at the same time, we have also the availability to define if my trip is for voyage or is for business, and then we can create a reimbursement for every single trip. And also here we can attack like an accountability system in order to have and manage automatically everything relating to my business report. So whatever we want in the workflow, we can put some automatically some reports or fulfilling some requirements. Eco report is something that allows the drivers to understand how he drove, how much fuel he spent, and also we can set some thresholds relating the fuel consumption, or also how he behaves. And thanks to the contextual data, we can also work with with maps and allow the drivers to know when he overspeed in a city, but at the same time, we also give him like a report weekly and monthly about the status of the car. The platform is not only for the private, but it's also for business, small, medium enterprise, and also fleet manager, because you can manage everything from this platform. You can also check the asset of any cars, check the situation of your drivers, and speak with your drivers relating the situation or problems that you already have. And you see that the platform is also made like you can create every single trip. We will see how every single trip can also be used for the pay-per-mile. And most important, we can have through this tool everything relating the real status of the car, the real odometer, the real level of fuel. And this data is very important because it works also for your data monetization strategy, because you can use this data for make like a new rewarding strategy, like also like cashback fuel in order to increase your retention, or also to increase your clients with a car repairman shop in order to decrease the claims. And our algorithm take in account all the telemetry. But most important is the marketplace. We define a marketplace. We send a short message. Through the short message, you can purchase an on-demand insurance. You can purchase a warranty insurance. You can purchase whatever you want. We can manage the billing one day, 1 month, or for like in a recurring base. So this is the way how we see the mobility in the automotive and in the insurance sector, and how these two worlds are connecting together. And all the payment gateways are, as you can see, are already connected, or if you start the registration and you already put the payment gateway, then you don't have the churn. So in order to sum up what we do and what we provide a white label platform. We create a data strategy with our players. We create together also the marketplace. And we deployed now this platform not only in Italy, but also abroad. Nowadays, we account with the 2 biggest dealerships in Europe that for revenue 7 billion. We have 3 partners in the insurance, from the insurance side, like Warranty Group, AXA Assistance, and many others are coming in the platform. And we just opened the office in San Francisco. That's it. Thank you very much.